In 2015, I found a very cool and unique house. Why do I say that? Because this house has a tower. I mean, how many houses have a tower? Not only that, the views from the tower are spectacular, whether you're in the tower looking through one of its 3 windows or at the top of the tower enjoying a panoramic view of the Italian countryside. Entering the house from the tower brings you to a 90 square meter carpenter's workshop. This is my favorite place in the house. It's here that I found all the original equipment that was used by the carpenter. This includes the original table saw and 2 workbenches filled with tools. There are also saw blades and various tools mounted on the walls. But what I liked most were the big windows that let in a lot of natural light into this big open space. Moving from the workshop into the house, I found 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, only 1 bathroom, and a kitchen. After buying the house, we didn't make any changes for around 2 years, and then we started a renovation project. It started with demolition, and we demoed everything. We knocked down walls, we pulled up floors, we pulled out stairs. I mean, we really created a big open space within the house. Following demolition, we moved our focus to the roof. Now, this house dates back to the 12th century, and we didn't know how old this roof was, but it definitely needed to be replaced. And due to the height of the house, this meant installing a lot of scaffolding. With the scaffolding in place, all of the original tiles were removed, and a layer of concrete was poured across the top of the house. The original tiles were then replaced, and the end result was absolutely beautiful. The project was moving along slowly, then COVID came and everything stopped, and we lost our motivation. That brings us to today. We are remotivated and ready to get started again. But this time, we are going to do as much of the work as possible ourselves. We'll be learning as we go, so we invite you to follow along to see where this goes, because we're not sure how it's going to end up.